y'all last saw me, it was in the last vlog. A few days ago, a week ago, all that good stuff. Broke the iPhone that I had, so I had to purchase a new iPhone. Hey, welcome back. It's been a little minute. It's been a little minute since I last picked up the camera. When y'all last saw me, it was in the last vlog. A few days ago, a week ago, all that good stuff. Broke the iPhone that I had, so I had to purchase a new iPhone. Thank God I got the iPhone at a good price. And I'm so happy I did. See, I was trying to do my shower routine and the phone, it fell from the shelf inside my shower. And then it broke the home button. And then the home button sunk in. I wasn't able to charge the phone, even though I purchased a charging pad from the dollar store. It still didn't work. So I was like, I just need to buy a new phone. And I will be purchasing another iPhone as well. I'm gonna see if I can switch my phone number over to a new phone company because the phone service costs the same, like what I pay with my current carrier. So hopefully everything goes well. But anyways, welcome back. It's your girl Elaine Boulevard, and I am happy to be back. Welcome if you are brand new. Welcome to my YouTube page and all you returning viewers. I would say subscribers. Yeah, well, a lot of y'all are not subscribed here on my YouTube channel, but to the ones who are subscribed, welcome back as well. And also the viewers, y'all are welcomed. Okay, and feel free to subscribe here to my YouTube channel. Now today I've realized that I've been doing things wrong, y'all. So I think I want to make a trip to Walmart today and just purchase some items for my pantry because buying things at Walmart is cheap. So why not go to Walmart? I mean, there's certain things I don't want to buy at Walmart, like vegetables, you know, and things like that, because I feel like some of the vegetables are not as fresh as the grocery store vegetables. But yeah, I think tonight I want to make some Alfredo, stuff like that. And let me just get it together. Let me just kind of do things right this time instead of wasting money like I've been doing. So yeah, a little trip to Walmart. Yeah, so yesterday, February 27th, my cell phone was supposed to get delivered. It said out for delivery, but they didn't deliver my phone, okay? And then I woke up this morning waiting on my iPhone, took a little nap, woke up, checked my Amazon notifications to see if it was delivered. It said that my iPhone was delivered, and I was just so happy that my iPhone is here. Nobody stole it from my front door. Thank God. Thank God, because ooh, the thievery around here is so real. Last year, one of my packages got stolen. It was crazy. It was a Temu package. I think I talked about it in one of my vlogs. But yeah, thankfully, I got my new iPhone and I'm back. I have to vlog with an iPhone. I cannot vlog with my Android. It's just something about Apple. I just have to have an Apple, y'all. I just have to have an Apple iPhone. I Cannot be out here vlogging with an Android. Let me tell you that. Okay, look. Maybe. It was sold for $10. I guess they don't recycle iPhones. I need to drop off my iPhone. Okay, just purchased my new tripod. It's a lot better. Now your girl can vlog. Let me see. I don't know what else. But I purchased a good tripod because the other tripod, it wasn't doing me any good. Hey, hello. So, okay, y'all, I need to go back outside. Yes, I do. I need to go back outside. I need to go to the hardware store. So I'm debating if I'm gonna go to the one that is close to my area or if I'm gonna go outside of my area. Wait, hold on. Hold on. Speaking of that, I need to go through my purse. And that's for work. Just leave that there. Okay. Y'all, I am back. Okay, I got y'all in my, cabinet here in my kitchen. But let me tell you something. This Comet lavender scent, oh, it smells so amazing. So amazing. I think from here on out, I'm about to clean with this, but it smells so amazing. And I just been in my house cleaning up. Gotta make the bed, rinse out the bathtub, the sink. Then I need to make a quick dinner. And yeah, I got the place airing out and stuff like that. Ready to move, ready to like pack up and just move into a new apartment, okay? Because there's been a lot of maintenance stuff going on around here and I don't want to get on camera complaining. So, I'm gonna just be grateful that I have my house and stuff like that. I'm not on the streets. I'm not sleeping in the cold, so yeah. I'm out of bleach. Yes, indeed. And this one was in the lavender scent. I don't know what it is about lavender. I just gotta have lavender. I don't know. Cleaned my sink, bleached it down. I think tonight I'm gonna make some pasta, a quick pasta dish. I did run over to the little market and I purchased some tomatoes because in my pasta dishes, I have to have tomatoes. Let me put this up. I need to get up in here, make this bed, because in a little bit, I'm about to cook. And settle down for the night. Yeah, your girl been busy. I'm not gonna even show you the floor because you gonna be talking about me like, what you doing? Like, you got your house looking like that? So my little soap container thingy. Sit here like that. I don't know what that is. Anywho. This scrub is staining stuff. So I like for my soap to be, let's go one here, the oatmeal, this one. And then, ooh, I want to show y'all that, ooh, I did a restock, you know, on the wipies. I love getting these wipies because they're cheap, they're inexpensive, and as usual, put them in my little cart here. This one is sealed. So yeah, just some wipies like that on the side of the toilet. Okay, now I need to fix my sofa. It's a hot mess. Yes, indeed. Thank God. Thank goodness the water is full. Cover it and let it cook. Let me tell y'all something. Last night, I felt like I was vlogging like for a long time. Maybe because I started the vlog like later in the day. And then I was up late cooking dinner. Like, I do not want to do any more vlogs like that. Ooh, drop some water. And then from here on out, I just plan on making vlogs that are 20 minutes or 30 minutes long. I don't want to do these super long vlogs anymore. And I was sitting on the sofa a few hours ago editing my video that I'm going to upload, which is this video. And I was thinking, oh, I don't like that clip. Let me clip this out. How come I didn't have my hair done? And maybe I should leave this clip. And I don't know, just thinking all negative. I don't know. I don't know. Think I need to do a little bit better. They say in order to make money, you have to spend money. So I am going to try that method. This is why I want to upgrade my cameras as I continue to vlog. So I'm loving the video quality, and I'm pretty sure there's other iPhone quality out there that's better than this quality, but I love the quality that I have on this iPhone. And yeah, and I just want to just take it easy, and I'm really not trying to spend so much money on, you know, filming equipment. But I know I'm gonna stay in Walmart buying my vlogging tripods. So yeah, they have like a nice selection over there in Wally's World, or Wally Mart. Is that what you want to call it? Wally Mart? Yeah. Yeah, some good tripods for your cameras and cell phones that you vlog on. And right now, y'all, I'm in my shopping area. I just want to buy, you know, more night clothes, more outfits. I don't know what it is. I just been in my style era, like my nice Black Girl Magic t-shirts I seen like at Five Below. I purchased one. And then Black Girl Magic t-shirts on Temu. So I'm just in my shopping era at this point. Ooh, y'all, I've had a long day. My skin is breaking out. I picked up this skin cleansing bar. I'm not gonna show y'all the bar because I'm not being sponsored. I just want to get it together. Tomorrow's gonna be a blessed day. Another blessed day. I downloaded this app on my phone called Hot Pads, and I'm about to get busy this weekend and next week, just searching for a brand new house. So yeah, I'm ready to move. It's time to just, you know, make that move. It's time to start working hard to get to where I want to go. Cute. The books that they have here, they also have some daily devotional books as well. I already have one at home with motivational and Bible scriptures in it and stuff.